Welcome back, everybody. Today's project, we're going to be switching over my John Deere 1023E to snow mode. This is my 2015 John Deere 1023E. I've had it since new, great machine, added the cab probably 3 years ago. Great ad. These winters in Maine can be tough. We're going to switch it over today and put the 54-inch snowblower on. Usually a pretty quick process, pretty easy to do, probably 15 minutes or so. This is another project we're working on here. Got to do a valve job on this 99 Polaris Sportsman 500. That will be coming up soon. Let's get this thing fired up. So we have 3 different pieces put on before we put the blower on. I'm gonna grab this piece right here. Slides over right there. We'll get the drive shaft. Slide that right under there. Yeah, what I usually do first is I put the drive shaft through the bearing assembly. Makes it much easier to get lined up. Usually do that first. I'll put that on and bring you guys right back. All right, now that that's all on and situated, makes it pretty easy to do. Got the drive shaft all installed. Apologize for not showing you guys live how that's done. New channel, still trying to figure out what I need to help create good content for everybody. Now we're gonna slide this over. This is the next piece of the puzzle. Want to make sure your pins are popped out. Makes it much easier to control. Pretty easy. Hang it right up and over. Lock it in. There, pretty simple. Nice and easy. Now, one thing's different about mine, I have the single point connector for my loader. So what you gotta do is you gotta unhook these bottom hoses to be able to tie in your hoses for your snowblower. You just gotta zip tie them up and out of the way. Let me unhook those and I'll bring you guys back. All right. So we got these hoses here hooked up. The other ones I just tucked up underneath. I'll throw a zip tie on there when I'm done. That's all hooked up. And we're ready to bring over the snowblower. Thing's pretty heavy, so we keep it on wheels to help roll it in place. There. So you want to pull, make sure your pins are pulled out. they're pulled out. Make sure the drive shaft is up out of the way. All right. Roll this up and over. We'll go in here and we'll give the tractor a quick start. Lift it up. Roll our cart out of the way. Our pins are locked in place. Perfect. There. Now all we got to do is route the hoses over to there and hook up the drive shaft. I'll be right back. Yeah, tractor's all ready for snow that's coming later this week. It's a nice little unit, does a really good job for us. Got a rear scraper blade that we scrape down the pavement before we put any salt on, because we get a steep hill that we have to leave in and out of. Yeah, next video, we're probably gonna be working on this 1999 Polaris Sportsman. See if we can get this thing up and ready for riding season in the spring. Be a nice little project. It's been a good little machine. Got two other machines over here I plan on doing a review on. Got a 2015 Polaris. I'm gonna do a long-term review on it. It's been a great machine. Got a brand new CF Moto Z4 600 that we just picked up at the tail end of the season. So far I like it. We'll do a review on that on a next video coming up. Thanks everybody for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe.